Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your GoCardless account. So to do that, first of all, you need to be logged into your GoCardless account, and then you need to be in the dashboard. After that, just find settings right next to search, tap on it, and now go to company info over here. Scroll a bit down till you find the close account option over here. You need to request for account closure, and now you'll be able to see this page and you'll be asked the reason for closing your account. You can select any reason. You've been given multiple options over here: GoCardless setup, issue with GoCardless features, third-party integrator, with direct debit product, and many more. Just tap in this one and then tap on close my account, and there you go, your account closure is processing over here. You've been locked out and you just need to wait, and after that you'll be able to delete your account permanently. So guys, that's how you delete your GoCardless account. If you found this video helpful, then leave us a like and drop a comment down below, and if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.